Hey family, and welcome back to my channel. I am Oluwaseyi Salako. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Today we're gonna be unboxing this big bad boy today. This was my birthday present and I am delighted. Thank you, Mr. S. I'm grateful. I love my HEATPRESS. Anyways, we need to get to work now and unbox this. When this came, I wasn't expecting this huge box. I wasn't expecting it this huge. This is a 16 by 20 UKPRESS HEATPRESS from Amazon. And I love it. I haven't seen it. I wonder how I was able to keep it till now without opening it. But then I want to share this unboxing with my YouTube family. Now, let's get to work. Woo! Now, phew. Uh-oh. What's this? Good packaging, I think. HEATPRESS machine. Operator's manual. And, oops. I guess I might need help. Let's see if I can do it on my own. Nah, I can't. It's blue, and I love blue. Man, this thing is heavy. It is heavy. Woo! This thing is huge. Comes with 2 mats. That's nice. I'm putting the press side by side with my old one. This is my 12 by 15. And this is the new HEATPRESS, which is a 16 by 20. Man, this thing is huge. I didn't know it was going to be this big. It is huge. UKPRESS Professional HEATPRESS, it says. And, phew, that's going to take some break now. What? I would miss you, HEATPRESS. But then you need a big brother, okay? No. Yeah, big brother you need. This is my new HEATPRESS, and I got this HEATPRESS because I want to print larger surfaces. Like I do a lot of pillowcases and a lot of cushions, and the minimum I need will be 15 by 15, which is the minimum. So I would like to do 16 inches. And this is well more than enough. That has really served me is the 5-in-1 Vevor HEATPRESS. It's a good one, but the problem is the screws. I don't know. The more you use it, the screws become very loose. and I have to screw and unscrew every time. So I got tired of that, coupled with the fact that I needed something bigger, and that is why I got this. So I believe this would work very well. And this is a clamshell, like that. It's a clamshell heat press, while this one is a swing heat press. So let's test this one, see how it works, and see how long the temperature gets to, the temp gets to what we need. Let's see how fast this could be in comparison to that. That would usually get to its temperature within 5-8 minutes. Let's compare these as well and see. But this is a huge one, and I love it already, especially the color of it. I love blue. Now we have the on button at the side, like my old heat press. So we put on the on button. Now let's see how this works. Now we do that. Enter. Nope. I guess I need the okay. Now we go into 320. I do most of my work. 320, which is for the HTVs. Okay, P2. Okay. 44. No, I don't want 44. I want down to 15 seconds. 15 seconds. For most of my HTVs. I think it worked almost like my old one. So I'm able to set 15 seconds now. And we use the OK to say if it's OK, the enter to change whatever we want to change. Oh, it has started counting down. Don't count down. If it's heating up, it's going to say heating up. And there, I'm in Fahrenheit. You can change it to degrees Celsius. I guess I'll look for what to do and how to change that. I'll go back on the manual and up and down. Okay, enter. Very simple one. It has this what's this called, a knob for the pressure, so you can either give it more pressure or loosen the pressure. A simple heat press, clamshell heat press. See, and it's heating up already. Oh, this is gonna be a fast heat. It's gonna heat up really fast. Like from what I could see, it's heating up already. Woo! This is nice. I'll leave it to get to the highest temperature now. Oh. So now the heat press is doing its job, warming up, and this heat press is has very minimal instructions, but it's okay. It says to set temperature, press OK button. The display shows P1. Press arrow up or down to adjust temp you need. Press OK button after setting temp display. That's it. Just OK. Whew. Anyways, I'll do a review on this heat press after using it for some time. You can do a review on something you're just getting for new. And I'm sure this will be a good one. Thank you so very much for staying on my channel. For all those who said happy birthday to me, mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so very much. I love you all. And I'll give you more. Please tell me if there's any tutorial you want me to do. I will gladly do it. If you have not subscribed, this is the time when you subscribe. Please do. It helps this channel. It tells me people are watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluwaseyi Salako, and today we're gonna unboxing this big boy. This is really huge. What are you doing here? Yeah, stay in the city. I'm doing a video. Okay. Bye bye.